Okay, I've been told by our local expert that it's blue on the right. That's what I've been told. If anyone knows differently. That's the other way. Yeah, anyhow, my daughter Paisley has been on stage before at about 5, 6, 7 years old, but she never actually presented anything. So I think this may be our youngest presenter ever. Saul Kolakowski is here to tell you about what you're going to see, three-dimensional murder in 3D.
And I want to say, thank you to Ron, Ursula, and Tom, and everyone who makes Monster Bash possible. Now I feel dressed. Third Dimensional Murder, or Murders in 3D, is a 1941 short film, and it was one of the first 3D films, and it was also the third and final film in the Audioscopic Screen Series. First with Audioscopics in 1935, and New Audioscopics in 1938. The film was directed by George Sidney, and this was one of 2 3D films he directed. The second one being in 1953 being Kiss Me Kate. The film stars Ed Payson, who also plays the monster at the end of the film. Ed Payson was also in Green Hornet Strikes Again. The film was narrated by Pete Smith, who also narrated the first 2 Audioscopics. Special effects were done by Jack Keevan, who, fun fact, was actually born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. He was also the producer of Monster Pages Focus, and did the special effects for The Land Unknown. This was also the first 3D horror film, but not the first 3D monster film. That would have to go to Radiomania in 1923. When the film was first released, they didn't give out red and blue 3D glasses. They gave out red and green glasses. The film, even though getting an 8mm film release, is really obscure, and not much information on the production surrounds it, but I think more people should know about this movie. I mean, horror films are one of the biggest types of 3D films, aside from westerns. I'm so happy for this film to get shown today, and maybe this way it will get more recognition along with all the other audioscopic films. Anyways, put on your 3D glasses and enjoy the show. Thank you. This has been Saul Kolakowski.
All right, we're about to keep it real, folks.